Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Messenger on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, find the Messenger app on your home screen. Now tap on it. Once you are in the Messenger app, look for the pencil icon in the top right corner. Now tap on it. Now you will see your contact list. You can search for friends by tapping their names in the search bar. Tap on each friend you want to include in the group chat. Now select the people to include in the group chat. Once you have selected everyone you want in the group, tap Create in the top right corner. This will create your group chat. To make it even more personal, you can also name the group. To create a name, tap on the name of the group. Now you can edit the name. You can add whatever name you like for the group. Now you can also change theme, quick reaction, and add nicknames for the group. And that's it. This is how you create a group chat in Messenger on your iPhone. Now enjoy your group conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.